Hi friends, will you be interested to know the technique where we can multiply the two numbers in an instant? Let's see. This technique, this is using Vedic Maths, and we'll also try to understand what is the logic behind it. So let's say that we have two numbers, 27 and 23. So first thing that we have to do and check in these numbers is the sum of the ones digit should be 10, which is applicable here. 7 plus 3 is 10. And the first part should be same, the tens part should be same, which is 2 here, right? So in this type of questions we can apply this Vedic Maths technique, so we can get the answer in two parts. For the last part of the answer we are going to multiply 7 and 3, which is 7 is 21, and for the first part of the answer we are going to use this 2 and we are going to multiply 2 with its next number, which is 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 2, 3 or 6 is the answer. The answer is 6 to 1 for us. Now let's see why does it work. So if you see, these numbers are 20 plus A and 20 plus B, where A plus B is 10. So A was 7 and B was 3 for us, and 7 plus 3 was 10, and that's what I have written. A plus B is 10 here. So let's see why this technique is applicable for these kind of scenarios. So if I open these brackets, it becomes 20 into 20 plus 20 into A plus 20 into B plus AB. So if I take 20 common from the first three terms, it leaves 20 plus A plus B plus AB. And we know A plus B is nothing but 10, so I can put 10 here, 20 plus 30 plus AB. So it becomes 20 into 30, which is 600 plus AB, right? So if you see, we have two zeros here, right? These two zeros will get filled up based upon the multiplication of A and B. The first part which we have got as the multiplication of 2 and 3, and that's what we have done here. So I hope you understood the video. That's how we got the answer, and this method is applicable where A plus B is 10 and the tens part is same. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.